YouTube. Why you should check it out. Have you heard of YouTube before? If you enjoy surfing the internet, there is a good chance that you have. The only question is, have you ever visited the YouTube website before? If not, you will want to do so, as YouTube is not only fun and exciting, but it is also entertaining. As you likely already know, YouTube is an online video hosting and sharing website. Internet users, just like you, can not only view videos online, but they can also upload them. Perhaps, that is one of the many reasons why YouTube has increased so much in popularity. With an unlimited number of entertaining videos to choose from, internet users are sure to find something that they love on YouTube. In fact, that is one of the many reasons why you should visit YouTube, particularly if you yet to do so. What is nice about YouTube is that it is a free website. Whether you are interested in uploading your own videos to the YouTube site or just viewing videos from others, you can do so, free of charge. You are encouraged to register with YouTube, which is also free to do, but you aren't required to do so. Despite not being required to register for a YouTube account, you are still urged to do so, as there are a number of perks to getting a free YouTube membership. One of those perks is the ability to rate videos on YouTube, as well as leave comments for video owners. Now, if you are interested in uploading your videos to YouTube, you will find that it is a relatively easy process. Of course, you will want to take the time to examine YouTube's rules and restrictions before posting your videos online, but once you are ready to get started, the process is easy. If you have yet to create a video, you will need a video recording device. After you have made your video, you need to upload it to your computer, where you can also edit it if you want. Once your video is ready, you simply need to follow YouTube's step-by-step uploading instructions and you should be good to go. If you would prefer to not upload your videos onto YouTube, you may just want to view videos that other YouTube members have made and posted online. The good news with this is that it is relatively easy to do. If you want, you have the option to browse through all of the videos posted on YouTube. Should you be looking for something in particular, you can also perform a YouTube video search. For instance, if you were looking for a video that deals with pets, you will want to perform a YouTube search with the word pet. Once you have found a video that you would like to view, you just click on the video to open it and the video will start playing. As previously mentioned, if you register as a YouTube member, you can rate or leave comments for each YouTube video that you watch. As outlined above, YouTube is a fun, entertaining, and easy use to website, whether you are just interested in watching online videos, making them, or doing both. To join in on the fun, you will want to visit the YouTube website, if you haven't already done so.